Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever connected your Android phone to your Mac only to realize nothing happens? Unlike Windows, Macs does not automatically let you browse Android files, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you the easiest ways to connect your Android phone to a Mac for file transfer, photos, videos and more. Let's get started. Connect your Android phone to your Mac with the USB cable. If nothing appears on your Mac, don't worry, this is normal. Now unlock your Android phone. You will usually see a notification saying charging this device via USB. Tap on it and charge the USB mode to File Transfer or MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. Without selecting File Transfer, your Mac won't be able to access your file. Install Android File Transfer. Open the Chrome browser and search for Android File Transfer. Now you can see the Android File Transfer for Mac app. Click on this website first. Now you can see here C alternative. Click on it. Now click on download button, Android File Transfer. Click on download. As you can see, it is downloaded the DMG file. Now we have to extract this file. Double click on the DMG file. Now just drag this application to the application folder. That's it. As you can see on my launchpad, it is downloaded. Click on it. Now click on open. And you can see here that my Android phone is connected to my Mac. Moto G84 is connected to my MacBook. This is the way to connect your Android phone with Mac. If your Mac still does not recognize your Android phone, try these fixes. Unlock your phone before connecting and change USB mode to file transfer. It is very important. You have to change your USB mode to file transfer. And use a data USB cable. Some USB cables only charge the phone and cannot transfer data. So use always the transfer USB cable. And try another USB port if the current USB port won't work. Restart both your Mac and Android phone. And that's how you can connect an Android phone to a Mac. For most users, using Android file transfer is the fastest solution. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.